you what is computer?
Computer is an electronic device which performs arithmetic and logical operations.
What is computer for you?
Computer is an electronic device which performs arithmetic and logical operations.
Structure होबनी आराम से करो. Who is the father of computer? समझते कहलो.
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage is the father of modern computer. What is the full form of computer? Common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Advantages of computer. First which is speed. It works very fast. Time saving. Storage. Accuracy. This is the important. Versatility. Multitasking. Intelligence. Multitasking माने computer works many tasks at same time. Very good. Same time रे बहुत गुड़े काम करि परिबो कंप्यूटर ताको मल्टीटास्किंग कुआ जाय. Versatility माने कोन? कंप्यूटर डू मेनी टास्क. कंप्यूटर कैपेसिटी अछि से बहुत गुड़े काम करि परिबो. एट द सेम टाइम हेले मल्टीटास्किंग देखिबो.